Alpha. If now you that they gang up against, you for don't go down. But based on say me na person will be say, I am different from all of you. That's why you guys will continue to gang up against me. And you say me, I will continue to be on top of all of you. Because you know why? I will always be on top. The main reason why make me do this live stream this evening, you say, wait. Before me go enter the main issue, because I see my fans, they tell me if I not talk about Proch again, if I if I don't talk about her again, and she don't do a party finish, and many things you're there. I don't understand. First, we maybe put for month ending. Do you know what it means for you to put someone on month ending? But because of I can't tell that say now Wednesday. You understand? And another thing again, when it be say many of them they beg me since for his house, when I go to talk right now, because I know say I love her so much. After all, I am grateful to God Almighty. Yes. Sometimes the downfall of a man is not the end of his life. But the downfall of a man is for him to have strength and composure to stand up again. That is what it means for you to see the downfall of a man. I didn't see many people they happy like say I never felt go party before, but they for spray me, or like this one are the biggest party. Pella still do party. Pella do party. Tell us of party what they do for passage or you understand? Oh, when me carry to do my marriage 2024. That all money I take that all alone is enough to do that birthday when they do yesterday 3 times. When I do wedding, it cast a be no cast. The whole TikTok no say I do wedding. If you scroll, you see me and my wedding. So when they say me I can't do party, I don't really get on time because I never do party. The biggest party that don't do a parlor party. Go read one with the husband behavior say all of them they message me. And that's why you do party. Now so you don't get cancer. Hey, I wish you don't get there. They for spray you. Like party day will be so you put mad. So they'll spray you. You don't see one error. You go up my so this party, they'll just spray me well. And you don't see one error. The party has come and go. It's a shame that she could not hold August 15 not to come and stay. I think in August 15 we go to see the go. I don't know say we will see another date called August 16th. You understand? So all my fans all over the world, the only thing when I go feel listening to now, when I beg me for, when me Enogie can still consider that those pajamas women when they tell me say make I rest. I'll rest for the pajamas and net. I don't talk to them. But you see that surgery Proch. Yeah, why you best it in Wednesday. Now me go decide when to leave her. Not be she go decide when to leave me. Now me will decide when to leave her. Because still get one thing I never post. I just want to make because me, I get what to do my saga. That one when me go call release, now you go call they explain. Oh yes. I am grateful to God Almighty that it happened like this. What if they deceived me to poison me? Now they look on one side for this thing, say Enogie not go the party, Enogie not go the party. I never entered the make cocoa. The make cocoa now 8 p.m. tonight. But the main reason why I come here now for Momentary D, and I will explain that part just now. But before I go into that part of Momentary D, where people they write me, people they send me, people they do this one, I go enter that part just now. But before I enter that part, my people, it get the way God will just show you something if you know you're going to embarrass you. You get the way God will tell you, show you something, say, this is your good heart. If you not use wisdom, they'll poison you through it. Me, I be person when it be say, I love everybody. Yes, I quit the verse, but I quit the let go. Maybe this is the reason why God still keep me alive. Who don't big? He don't big. If you like, use math, spoil am from January to December. Who don't big? He don't big. And person where be say you dey try bring down, the person not agree they go down, he not agree they fall. Nothing they happen to the person. You check yourself, say this person so he heart clean. If my heart is not clean, the way all of them don't take gang up, as we still speak right now, if I come online, they'll leave when I come watch me. But that was not your target, and that was not your plan. Your plan now, if I come on live video, may 100 people they watch me. That was you people's plan and target. But I am still above all of you. When I do better, when I do, I see this record this morning. When I get 2004, that Yakbo, that short lesbian, big video do. Big video you do this one for. I don't understand. Now me they do that one for. Okay, oh, I get party on Saturday with the console. When I spoil them. I get on the 29th too. I get September 5th. I get for September 12th. I just dey tell them I'm gonna spoil them because I don't know party where it comes away not green rest. Like I don't know how they see the party. If that get to see money for that party, that's if you too see na 4,000 euro. If you too see. If you too see money, is 4K euro. That's if she too see oh, if you go even reach. Now me help and buy drinks. Now me help and buy food. The 180 euro always she carry. Now me help and go pay. So why people not go show am love? What not be you don't win now set fight for us. And they ask. Now set fight for us. Elder Queen, where you do marriage yesterday. If that one they talk, say you're fool. I go understand. Because the all Elder Queen married big. And people full out. This one small. So what is small? What you say maybe before people go full out now because it's small. If you met there for carry big one. If Elder Queen they talk. Oh. Well, they hear say that get try. See people. You go carry passage or where be your kitchen. So many people not full on. You go carry or where be your kitchen. You say many people not full on. People must full on. But the truth is that now everybody come the party. No, not everybody come the party. That's why this morning you get one video where the thing make me laugh. The thing pain now. She still did the all this morning before she fall. That fall alone, I thought they win at 3-0. Yes. People they do birthday before. Because you are not clean, you fall. For near cemetery. That one alone is enough for me to let go. But no, I want to beat you this on Wednesday. Because it get that want me you talk before I will release that footage. Now maybe you one. You understand? The biggest regret, I know you they regret, but pride not go feel like you can talk. You are regretting. You are regretting because I'm the life of a party. I don't see food eat and Enogie. If I see reach 1,000 euro. If I not see reach 1,000 euro, they no break. We rule the social media. We rule media. Now we they rule social media. Bad as it bad. Now me make people even know now say you do better. Yes, nobody knows. Say you want to do better. Now me make it. Now me 7 ways. Thank you so much for gifting me my destiny helper. God bless you, sir. I mean, man, I don't know that can. God bless you. 7th ways. Now me make you they see 1,000 views. But for your men, you think that's so you go, they say how they go, they play. Me when else they come make her stop. Me you say if the thing goes, they trust them to wash. You know, you trust them to wash again. Party ride. Like soon I never see party rides before. I don't do party for parlor for here. I don't do party for all. I don't still do birthday. People show me love. That's what they do. If they do your at the end of the celebrate for waiting and they ask God for me, God don't do for me. Celebrate for. God shall prove his chef. He's pray 50 euro. So people spray 30 euro. God will bless burgers where they count the money. I don't want me for Congo poor man. See they'll spray me money. Okay. Without being told, you never give me 1 naira. I don't book hotel for 3 nights. I don't so white native. Not be this one. White clean native. Not be Wagbada. And you never give me money for MC. What does that tell you? That tells you that I'm not interested in your fucking money. Like I did okay. Because if I not did okay, I'm not gonna go so native. Say my friend they do 40 years birthday and I may be MC. Sometimes you get the way God will embarrass you. May you take get sin. As I be now, if you be my brother, even if you be my brother for one side, even if you say that your wife they do one, you want carry me for MC. If you not pay me half, I know they come. Like that law now does stand. It does stand. And they talk for public. You not get how you want to tell me to say I be your friend when I go lead this thing. If you not give me half the very day when they book me, not just get up for me. I say, if you go book me for flyer, you are on your own. Because in life, we learn every day. Me, they use my good man, say, oh, these ones are my friends, these ones are my people who I not to know. But I come see and say, I don't know my value. This thing will happen, so it teach me 3 things. It taught me 3 things. There are people that plays with you, in not reach Jabele, not be say I not fair, no, I know. But it can't make me understand, say, not be everybody will share it with you, be your friend. See, make I let you know one thing. I do video this morning, say, my haters, they see from shame to Enogie. Me, they see from a blessing. Imagine, say, this girl not go that people live stream. They can't plan them another way, say, Alpha, poison Enogie. We hear say, now you want book for your show. Poison now. I just need bath. That's why my head is red. If I get allergies for bath, not be today, you know. You will ask that question. My ear that will really have Nigeria. Why you had it red? You don't feel the same if I bath for Ukabere. So you understand? What if they can't do it like that? Say, we hear say, they come your party as MC. Deceiver. Poison 48 hours points a day. Yes. 5 days on day. 1 week on day. Me can't dress come up for us. I say I dey go my friend party. I can't reach there. She can't give me meat. Even if it don't be rice. If I take meat and take start, first drink first before you start. Me can't shop meat. We don't dey see am from my end. We don't dey see am from the way we dey see am. We don't dey see am from Ipe Enogie we. Me wey dey happy. Me wey be say I dey happy. E get some people wey go that party wey me don block since morning. Don block their papa. Like for life. May they just follow them go. Because August 15 don't finish. You not get anything you want to tell me say my friend, no, we don't do friend relation because you are evil. An evil person is an evil person. No matter how you try to do, no matter how you do it, they are evil. Me, I don't get trust issues as I did so. So if you they book me for show, it's a public, not use brother or friend, they do me something. If you they come, I tell you say how much they collect. It's either you they transfer at that moment, or just get her for me. I say I know they come your party, come MC for you. That is it. That girl can't give me meat before party start. We can't eat meat. It gets some kind thing we go they do you, go they damage your organ. Your organ go they damage, go they damage, go they damage. You go hospital, doctor go tell you say you don't see anything for your body. Now so you're that away. You say these people and they'll cry pass. Oh, he was the one doing MC for me last 3 weeks. The thing just go like that. No trace, nothing. People don't go think in that shit. People go feel say, beg the man, make the man go jare. He go make problem with this one, make problem with this one. Nobody for think can say na him. So their plan was to remove me publicly. I don't know if now they like their plan was to say, okay, oh, you're remover. Because assuming another pattern they use, they forget me. They forget me well because why? I think she's my friend. I feel say, oh, this person so my friend. You they happy say me no go, now me happy pass. Because you take your woman for them because of party of 24 hours. Then now let me come back to Momentary. And they see people they tag me to say Momentary na a bad person and she go and Proch party and blah 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 and she's not supposed to go and this that. No, Momentary is not a bad person to me. Hello, I dey state and clear. Hello, Momentary is not a bad person to me. I'm not a baby. I know who lost me genuinely, and I know who they follow me, they do while you play. I call the saga Momentary day because say she go party, a married woman, adult. I call they tell her say, see where you want go, see where you don't want go. Come on. When Momentary do party, she invite the useless girl. The useless girl go. So it's a time to pay back, and she paid back. But I not be small picking. Hello. They want to tell person may come out for smoke. They don't tell person may come out. You smoke don't enter your eye where you come out for smoke by yourself. Momentary is my very good friend and his sister. So people they tell me go Momentary party. Person will not invite me. May I can't go a party because of Momentary day. Because they are not they play. So that tomorrow that one go take laugh me say, I invite you for my party. Not because say Momentary they can't go Proch party. Not me make you go. I invite you. If Momentary invites me, I will go. But not because say Momentary they go Proch party. Me will come say I must go. Momentary do my dear. And do madam. I better send me address. And they come must come. Then I'm a very big fool. Because she did not invite me. Oh God. Say what happened, so I don't wear so. My good have not pay me. From henceforth, I might not be the person you used to know. If that woman called me today and say, Bros Enogie, I am officially inviting you Of course, I will go. But did you invite me? No. Me and Wahoo, you because Mommy Titi did go push. You say, hello, Mommy Titi, is that you? No. I was so native, so that before that day, make that one tell me say me I stay my house too. No one put me for disgrace, Abi. So the embarrassment where God tell open my ass so to tell no say see who they call me friends, see the people who suppose see for inside this saga where you happen so I run for 15 friends, 15 friends when me the feel say that be my person. Now God exposed me to. So person will not invite me for party. Thank you so much. But we poor. Because they can't go surgery push. Oh. Because okay, I'll go Mommy Titi home. Mommy Titi though, I can't use my money to book hotel. I can't use my money to so native. I can't use my money because not be me she carry for MCO. And I miss it and I say they come. Anything if happen tomorrow. Some people too move. Anything if happen tomorrow, she will come out and tell me, Enogie, did I invite you? This surgery post so now. Thank God that she still call me say that I can't do FC. It's still good for a year. Because the person can't look you tomorrow tell you say, did I invite you? That's the shame will be test 7. And I will never do anything just to say because of Momentary did. No. But say maybe Momentary did and somebody not they play. For example, I know fully well say that person he and I know they play. Right? And that person can't tell me say if I don't know, if I don't know that you'll get chance this day, if you come my party, I will go 100%. Because don't be me cause the issue between me and Momentary day. Same with me, not be me and Proch cause not be Momentary day cause me and Proch saga. So why will I now be telling a married woman, an adult where to go and where not to go? So please, anything she posts, she's not talking to me. Right? Anything she posts, not be me she dey talk to. If he and Precious May get any issue, that is between she and Precious May. That has nothing to do with me. That one not got anything to do with me. Just the way me and Surgery Post got nothing to do with her. Her husband was there with her yesterday. My husband was there for her. Let me tell you say the verse of DJ Coast. I not the verse for anybody. Man not put me for talk. But the people that did not go to that place, that call me their friends. Wait, call me friend. Wait, call me say, this man. What did this girl do? I don't go. There are many. She knows. I don't want to mention their names. That's why she cried out this morning say, if you not say you not come my party, block me. As I felt to come, I never come for her because I'll come for her later. So I don't get any issue with anyone. But I cannot see a needle. See the needle they come my eyes. Make I let them blind my eyes. I have learned in a hard way. You say I'm not good, but I am your #1 topic. Without Enogie, your page is dead on arrival. Without Enogie, your page is dead on arrival. That's instigations. You cannot tell me what to do. And Momentary did this one there. Me go you all come begin the saga Momentary did. That is that what you wanted. I would be a very big useless person to saga Momentary did for what? For waiting one saga for Mojoto. What they do now work. What they block all these people with busy men. That they feel say they don't arrive. I'm not a fool. I'm not a baby. She decided to go to a place that will give her joy and peace. Has nothing to do with our friendship. So tomorrow I decided to go to a place whereby that person they play. She shouldn't be angry with me as well. That's what it be. So let's mend what we say out there. People they talk say my wife bestie. My wife not get bestie. For those of them away, they say my wife now Margie not get bestie. I'm not talking for her. People who is wise know what I'm doing right now. My wife not get bestie. I swear to God, bestie as how. She don't come greet my wife for you. My wife don't go greet her. You know what to be bestie. My wife not get bestie. They if they talk to you for phone, don't me say be your bestie. Because Juju feel you use my wife tomorrow, go you block you. I will never bestie.
Only God bless you. I just thank you. Thank God you don't know me.
My wife.
Thank God they know me by husband. Thank God they know me.
My wife take there.
I just tired.
Me even good. My wife not get bestie. Girl, they tell her this thing on the norm. I'm not supposed to say this word.
Again, we are going to don't let me want to go enjoy. I don't call any man. I don't call any woman.
My wife not get bestie.
Hello, only me want got myself.
Yeah, I tell me why I get ready. If my wife get bestie, she for the go fish bar with her besties. My wife not be. She just be friend to them for social media. They see for social media.
The
social media.
Will not be friend. Not before they don't say they are not my friend or they think say I talk. I clap your platform, not be so be friend. No, the way.
Bestie is the one where me be get before.
I mean, God will bless you for
me. The bestie where me be get before now, me don't part ways with my bestie. That's why I say I blocked some of them this morning. People will be saying me when they see me with before. When not they see me with them again. Now me block them. Now me tell them the shift.
Now me go advise my husband about friend. My husband not go feel advise me about
you know what I
friend. You know say I be weary. I know.
You know what I must say.
I don't send anybody.
Everything where my wife wanted bestie, don't use the mouth to talk for social media. So my wife does not have a bestie.
I don't send anybody that be weary when it comes to friendship.
As me still be so, me get friends when I call brothers. When it be say, we go that party since yesterday, I thought they look there like what I say everywhere just felt blur. That bluish something. Go bless you know they see the way. That's what they see there now. Go bless you know they see you click. You clear your camera. I don't know what the thing they do now. Your camera go you make you go bless say now wet, you go wet, finish. You go they clean up. That's what I think they see them from this morning. You can't call those people my friends or my brothers. No. Someone who regard you as brothers, do things as brothers. So if they cannot do things as to you as a very bluish friends, that's bluish people. Blurry. You understand? It's very blurry. So I rules the world on my space with you. That make me be old man. Without you guys, I am a nobody. Should be at the top now. 4,001 they watch me. Even the Proch, since he doesn't do saga, he never see this 3,000.
Now, be 1 minute. Now, when they say, Amanda, I help you see, if you start do what I like, I feel call you, you feel do for me, I will pay you. If you not collect money, now you can't know. Momentary, they do shit for me, not me say, if anybody, I like meat pie, I don't even do perfect. And you are conscious you do pass me. I feel call you say, you feel do 10 meat pie for me, how much? And you can't know if you collect money or not. Now they crazy, I say, teacher, Lord, then Wahala.
Europe,
I cannot to call anybody, say, do this thing for me. Now you know if you collect money or not.
Europe saga.
The man, not the man.
He gets the one who want to analyze, who want to start.
Another, you see, Godfather, you know the other food for Nigeria. You know they call people say other food for me or I'll pay you. So God say Godfather leave on. Now do they cause problem. for social media.
And then
I'm a very wise person. And they see what they want to go for they call say, I'm not that you see she when
no,
for
make
me.
I use
when instead for me.
Make I use
not so they like problem.
Make I use this opportunity.
Anybody do this thing for me, do it for me.
Godfather, Koyo, your referee is a very good one. You do your referee very well. But I repeat, this your referee they do so. Hope if person can't do ref for you, you know go first. Because this your ref, where you they do say, I don't support anybody. You are an instigator. You know they do say I join this side or I not join this side. You be instigator. Like they instigate things where be say man, they're not there into play. You will put them into play. Then if you don't finish without your small sense, you call it and say, I don't support anybody. Oh. I don't understand. Because tomorrow, your referee when you do it Apollo not reach 24 hours. You call them off. Meaning you dey fear to Apollo Moki. Because if you not dey fear to Apollo Moki, you for continue to do that saga with them. Because you dey instigate problems for where problem not dey. Now your own issue now, let me even tell you say they say Momentary dinner. If I do want to Momentary, what I do to Momentary? That's an instigate. You are playing a very. You are playing. Hold on. Okay. You are playing a very big role of instigator. That's not how to do ref. You don't just tell people. That's why you can't be. I be referee because tomorrow, when the ball changes into your own, not be the referee way they do so. They don't say no. All these referee, I don't feel do for Facebook before. People will they follow me. I don't do them that time for people who say they follow me. I don't. If you say I lie, ask my real fans. Now we they do referee. Go really do and go jam head together. We know they do and say because the way they do your part and we are zipping. You can't say my fans. I support anybody. I don't they do saga. I they stand for one. I they stand for straight line. You they instigate your father. Now this Momentary do it will be the funny before, but this Momentary do let me tell you say they instigate because hold on on it. Because if I not be person now will be say you don't take for this work with the way people don't take the talk since I'll come on social media the saga Momentary the saga called worst again. How many of them want they do all those mumu saga? If not be all these useless Bobby, tight jeans, and Zaddy way, and this girl, I beg, Kanselekia, come here. If I say you don't go laugh for my head, for the Bobby tight jeans, and they feed me because I don't understand. Money where you don't give me money before.
Bobby tight jeans say you say million receipt we pack come on.
Lare, Kanselekia,
I don't understand.
You don't ever give me money say take for your off, like apart from saying you put up for foundation, which is 200,000. I don't feel like now the only money where you don't ever contribute to our foundation where be say okay, we can't put up for our foundation. Now when I want to launch my foundation, you can't put 200K. All the money that you have sent is the one who tell they help people. Where will tell they help people? I don't know what they tell them, Zaddy.
If you see million, we pack come and receive.
Whenever you they feed me, I don't know, but. I know you are depressed and you mental health patients too, but be very careful because you dey laugh for my head where we like couple of now you they feed me like you get some salary where they pay me every month. Maybe you get money where they pay them. I don't know, but not be to somebody like me because I can go back to our chat. If you think I'm lying, if I don't ever borrow you any money, say give me first. Come and use it to disgrace me. So Godfather, the instigator is no longer that of a referee. If you want to go, if you want to join one side,
to saga, you understand
just directly straight to saga. You all know say you join them. You cannot say anybody join me. I don't need squad to take do my thing. Only me one a warlord. I can. That's why my saga. I'm not the saga one person. For our saga, they reach like 15 people when the saga once. So you coming to say if I do Precious Meg,
Precious Meg we don't know.
A very Precious big instigator.
I bath my twins. I don't even know if my Momentary did no. For when frame.
I know Momentary. Hold on. I know Momentary did in the year 2023 in Dusseldorf. I don't know Precious Meg since 2019. See how I'm saying that Precious Meg I felt no. During this Enogie. This thing, now I take no Precious Meg. She can't bring food for the organizations. From there, I can't take no her. I can't take no Momentary thing now. If I don't know Momentary now, I know they go like roughly 3 years. Okay, so Precious Meg don't say. Now Precious Meg have my twins.
Yeah.
You understand? Now Precious Meg, now I have my twins. I don't know Precious Meg since Facebook. You understand? So you trying to bring problem for where problem not there, so that you can't do referee put. I feel sack you. You know, as they do referee, so FIFA get the right to tell you say drop. I feel sack you say not do referee for me again. You can continue with your referee, but the instigator what you do now is wrong. Because I'm not stupid. As you did so, I know if he manipulate you to go saga, person where you not do your mind. You are not get problem. If I want to run for person, not be you tell me may I run from the person. It's my decision to run from the person without coming out to saga. Must I saga everybody to run from them? And they ask you, must I run? Must I saga everybody to run from them? If I say okay, this person I want space him, now you go come instigate him. Because you say you want call result. Not maybe they do party. They don't already fix party for grand. You want call result, say who will be the winner. For now me do party. Now when I do party the same day with her. Now the one people full pass will take call result. What you want call result for? My way party. I was even sleeping when my haters were crying in the comment section. But all of the day now we fake account. Now say me no good. But now my matter now the analyze for all platforms. For more than how many years when I take this TikTok. Since I take on, I not get rest of mine. If me can't drop the saga now, me go see the ref you go to do Godfather. You have the ref we hang out because the saga now is going to an end. The more tell them way. Now more tell their people.
Another thing when they talk on it, we still talk about.
And Wednesday.
That's not because say Jerry see the one with big passport show. Jerry they carry TV show at the center.
That of Jerry, the day when Momentary did do party, Momentary is aware. Jerry get TV party that day.
We want to go decorate.
He do for Momentary day.
He
do for Monique.
This person.
He do for, I think, he still do for Casway. He carry 5 shows, 6 shows for Germany. He get warehouse when you go show him the kind of color when you need for your event. You understand? He go do it for you. And I am ready to stand by Jerry come son. Because the only sincere person where if he sacrifice in money for friendship na Jerry. And you see people like this, they are rare. I don't want to mention the rest of the names. People they will be saying not come that party when make an verse. I want to play something for now. People they know I'll play later for the other side. People they will be saying he make him. He comes out say, so these people not really come my party because of Enogie. Let me see why. See why on Italy like people they Germany here. There are many.
Wait, not contain 50 people.
There may hey, Godfather, thank God say you there here. You are not playing instigator. You are no longer doing referee, and I can sack you. Feel sack you. You be referee me na FIFA. I be waiting everybody talk about. If you want to do your referee, do it diligently well. Not be say you want a Kolobi, Momentary D, Precious Meg, So that your referee go, you want to do referee for life. Maybe you quarrel now. Maybe because you do referee for you.
My twins, they fair.
Must you do referee continuously?
Maybe my children.
Maybe you still saga and go further. Maybe because you do referee for you. I will do referee well. And now what you do for Facebook that year. So make you not come beside they do referee tomorrow because now you now look. I don't they do referee from Facebook they come.
No saga, no saga.
That's okay.
No saga, no saga.
If you know what's coming, they instigate. They talk on waiting the ground. They talk on waiting the ground. Now, my brother Akuyo, I tell you no talk all. Because this matter still there so I am still the old one here. Last time I check. The problem you go see that one don't start. He told us here.
We don't
for a win.
You get one filter win, you know now. The thing you cause the
sweet.
Get one filter win, you know. You show that filter. Maybe like the friend say they use this one, they use this one.
Oh my God!
And then you worry,
you understand?
The filter.
The problem they hear me. They hear. Not they shout again because no level for you. Person when you say you bring down, if you dey live video, people they watch them 9 times 100 of your own. For instance, this 4,003 now. Okay, man, I dash you 150. I still get 4,150 here. You know what I say? You know if you bring me down. Person when they bring down, now person when go day live video, nobody they watch her again. You dey feel am? Now that I don't understand. Like assuming at the day live now 50 people they watch, 45. Again, how you take bring me down? Because if I stop this saga now, see us everywhere they get calm. If I say me we do. If I say me we do, because he get it and want still post about that useless girl. That's why I say I want put her for Wednesday. If he talk now, me post. Now that one go come they cry oh because I be one first strike before her birthday. I can't say no. If I strike with that one, meaning I don't use everything when I get to Sagara. I can't keep one. As a smart saga old lord. Okay, I be saga old lord. Saga old one. Let's don't use 9 years, do saga, not be smart again.
I'll type your screen, guys.
So if I can't see and say they repeat words, it might not even get to whether they give before arrest on the matter. Yes. So I want to appreciate the people who record that girl when she fall. I want to play and yeah, I'll play again later. For you to fall for your birthday. For you to fall for your birthday. Shows. Say your hand not clean. For you to fall for your birthday, it shows your hand not clean. Because if your hand clean, you know fall.
So for that thing not repeat again, you'll see it again. About it to come person say, do you for me, I will pay. The person will come say, leave on. You know, they call you for me, they do something for you. Not repeat that thing again.
You say so.
I say, you see, if I just see what I like it do, I'll see call and say, do one for me. Not get anybody time.
But that way, yeah.
About it to say, do meat pie for me, do chichi for me. I don't come beg the person food. Now snacks. So snacks, you can call anybody to make it for you. Not be big deal.
I don't know. Because the way they cut it, they do the thing. They cut they do and say, may not get your talk, may they carry. Video when I just do few hours ago, all of them just they carry on. And when I say me not good, me will they give una food, me will they feed all on dead platforms. As I not come go the party now, cause they not come break. Another day want that so. How far? They not come break. They not come break. They not come break. As the thing come pay the rich, ah God. As I wake up this morning, I think about all those kind 7:10. Yes, 7:10. Now me you enter the live stream or more. The guys they dance. If they tell DJ say, play on. Because I wish he quick come out if I not fall. I wish he quick come out. If they tell them, wait till be time. All those ones they write 7:20. Wait till be time 7:30. Let's start go for. As he fall, I say very nice. This is where I am satisfied. I'm satisfied. Even if that mistake fall na fall. Ude apuma de. Ude. Tobolo moki. Loki antelope. Una do well o.
No, where
Una
they
don
not
break
where they
record.
not go? Where they not go?
Una say make people, some people not go. Una dey that one you dey water side. That one you dey what? Topolo Moki dey what they call am? Abi Verona. None of them go. None of them go. Go reach the Ekpero. Thank you so much. Where they help them from inside that small Ashawo room for there. No. Check the people who tell you say me no let Enogie call your party. Go reach the people that say they want fight to check all of them.
Na doctor's grace. Some will join me eat. Why you not go?
None of them go.
Oh yeah. Go.
Thank you so much for the gift. So when I join me, when I congratulate me, we're congratulating because they have tried to bring me down, yet I not go down. I am the biggest streamer from Edo community. If you think I am lying, argue with your ancestors. I am the biggest streamer. You just skin the fucking charts. I am the biggest streamer in the Edo cyberspace. If you think I'm lying, go and tap your Google. Biggest than them all. If they want to see their papa and their mama pass. A gift to you now. A gift to you now, DJ now. Let this one play past the rest DJ when me does see so far. So we go to book that one. Then let DJ way. Which kind spirit DJ be this one? They book this one for party on Harry. Ladies and gentlemen, I don't know my enemies for NROV. Congratulations to me. 50 people when me hear the say they my own. All of them come. Yesterday I called Fed and say, oh, they are friendly friends.
So I call Ipa. Ipa, where we go? No, they fight today, my husband, man.
DJ play Stanley, the other one.
Ipa, who go? No, they fight today, my husband, man.
DJ Ekpe went to in Arabic Ekpe.
Now call the. Hello, Ipa. Ipa, where we go? Who are calling no room where? I don't understand. When I'm careful, when my husband does smart, he don't get sense anymore.
Venave Kwe, a DJ, he na gift. He gift no, ni mama vita. Woka ma veni adie TikTok. We ma be. O ma gift no get DJ. Me feel what TikTok away.
Get the baby do again.
Get the baby me.
The gift as well.
Eye. Get the baby me.
I'm not sure.
Oh,
Hello.
hello, sir.
Torí kan down. Me want that saga now. We have to hear it, sir. With your 21 view. If you're a big way. Come on, Tori. I am not the next person anymore. You know that Begagbe. Fall for me. Come on. Fall for me. Remember saga. Give me a saga ya born already. This was the end of discussion. You see this one so in this one so they don't make me saga pajama snacks. Because I heard you go take carry everything when he plan. You see this for it sweet me. But tomorrow I don't screenshot this for because I'm a friend. If on my wife for like this, I don't screenshot assist. If na me for, why I screenshot it then? But as the company say na him, we not put that one for the story. Oh, I fear waiting for now. Evil things. If we die after no way, or die off, or that one pull leg, may fall. No. You will pull leg for granted for. Be careful. It don't invest for you now. You see, you don't have someone very useless and evil person. It don't invest for you now. For that small thing when you do, I think boy, yo. Because that gets so, no. Come outside, I can't tell us say they spray you money. When they come up for small passage we carry. For all we know reach 1,000 euro. Now you want proper. If you want proper, you go carry her first. All those spirits, they really listen to me because I called of them yesterday night and they answered me this morning. Like, follow you. Not the bobo. As I get to peg me. When Lalone, a mother that smokes, drinks, practice lesbianism, wazua. Not be young for Mama you. Oh, don't you because I am still the winner of this ongoing saga for 22. Go see Goya now. That one about being allowed to blind the eye. He say he want to live a peaceful life.
Come back.
Okay.
I see the man doesn't
He say he want to live a peaceful life now.
Park every day.
Goya, now you want to live peaceful life.
Don't park every market day.
Goya,
doesn't come back.
now you want to live peaceful life. You will suffer. Because as I come up for this one, now you're all direct because now 1 month I promise them. 1 month must complete. As I leave surgery Proch soon. Now you are the enter because surgery Proch. I don't do everything I want to do one. And I'm satisfied. And they see that help man. They thought so not get platform, but not solid for real life. Help man. Me no want message you. But many matters. Me know what they do because the news tactics when they come now. Una way get una way go dey live video before 50 people go dey look una sometimes 33. Una come find my trouble. Una come lock up. If una don lock up, una come dey pitch me, make me for talk. So that if I talk, una wey be dey see 33 view, una come dey see 200. From there go go 500. From there go 1,000. So the Proch, our saga is coming to an end, and next time you need to be very careful.
Damo,
Referee Koyo.
Damo.
Referee.
If I'm everywhere spoil, see 1 month not go reach lao baba. The TikTok go dry. We are bored. Now.
Godfather. Me everywhere spoil. One morning. They talk of it to not talk of more to ya. Godfather, me everywhere spoil. You want to follow Moki saga because that guy too ugly. Topolo Moki go they bring cover shoes. Now let me what they use shoes that they you wash out. DJ Amalagmo, Managmo. Me agbe yo, eri ga we. Ito we. Anyhow we. I'm Godfather you do. Godfather, why you not beat her?
Let me like say hold on. Let us what
You to go to there. Why you not beat Apollo Moki? So okay.
Not they analyze. Godfather one they use it.
Godfather, what they use it they analyze.
But they use it. Can you not get what they talk now?
Ladies and gentlemen.
Godfather not get what they talk. Name what they do.
So the Proch saga is ending tomorrow, Monday, not Wednesday again. I don't bring am down to Monday. Because he just get one thing. Tomorrow, Monday, the saga ends. Right? And I know this is going to pain bloggers, fans, everyone out there, to pain all of them. Okay, Olama may end. Walare, Oyuna Yata. Wama Mugane. Wama no India.
What are you doing?
Okay, more go.